Hi everybody, my dear friends, here we are again talking about this book, A Way to Balance. Today we will see chapter 7, where we speak about the foreplay. Very important, especially for men, because we should concentrate very much on this practice. Most of the times men have something like a hurry. They are in a hurry in the beginning of the sexual intercourse. And we talked about this before. Most of the times there is an urge, a hurry, due to the lack of self-confidence. We are afraid that we might lose direction, for example, first of all, or that we cannot satisfy the partner, or we can't keep going in the sexual intercourse as much as we should for her. So many times we have this urge, this hurry, that doesn't allow us to taste the pleasure of the foreplay. And the foreplay is very important also to prepare our partner, the female. When she is very excited, as we know, she produces a sort of fluid in her vagina. And it's a very precious fluid that we should taste and drink as her saliva. Every fluid, also the breath, every fluid that comes from a female's body is something like a medicine for us males, and vice versa. That's why the foreplay is so important, because we prepare and we enhance the pleasure in her, and so the sexual intercourse becomes more effective in producing this kind of fluids. And so it becomes, it increases. This fact increases the therapeutic effect, the calming effect on our being. So it's very important that we do it properly. The Taoist system is very simple. We should learn the root of the Wei Qing channel, called also the stomach channel. We begin from here, and then we go down and up and then down until we reach the third point, point number 30th point. And then we go to the second finger of the foot, and from there we go up slowly and we get to this is the point number 45. We get to the point 31. And with the other hand we make a massage, a round massage, very gentle or not so gentle if our partner asks us to do so, on the entrance of the vagina. And this is a very stimulating practice for her, to prepare her, to take her to the point that she wants to be penetrated by us. And you will see that with the amount of fluid that will come out. This is especially important in women who has a difficulty in the beginning of their sexual intercourse. So this is an old practice, and it's very important to allow the women to produce these fluids that are so important to us, and they represent the in some way, well, I have to say something before. In Taoism we have two different schools: the school of the external elixir and the school of internal elixir. This practice, this foreplay in the Taoist way, is something in between. you will understand why after my explanation. The school of the inner, of the internal elixir try to produce this fluid from the inside through exercises, through certain practices. They think in this school, in this current, that we can produce this wonderful fluid, this wonderful substance that can make our life longer. Because we become healthier, happier, wiser, and so we become also long-lived, more long-lived. And this is something that in Taoism is very important, because they say that in the end of our life we can really bring the fruit of our life, and the final fruit is enlightenment, and we hope so, becoming immortals. The other school looks for this kind of marvelous substance in the outside of the human body, so plants, animals, precious stones, everything that is outside of us. And so in the millenniums they try to create a sort of concoctions and other preparations to prolong our lives. This practice, the fluids that comes from our bodies, even from male bodies, that is a wonderful substance for female's body. These substances are something in between, because it's outside of us, but it's inside another human beings. So it's something in between. I suggest to use all of this, the internal elixirs. So through, here we have a little bird, and we have the substance that can, the energy that can be released through Qigong and certain practices and exercises. Then we have the external use for herbs, for example, very important. And the sexual, the fluids that come to us in a sexual encounter. So we should use all of this in order to obtain health, happiness, wisdom, and long live. And long life. But so, with this hope in ourselves, I wish you all the best and see you with the next video. Goodbye.